words ride, wings flutter. One breath changes everything, everything. Butterfly storm, listen. Cut out from and frozen in the frame. Pawns on a board that don't know the name. Strings run from rooms with no windows or light. One careless whisper pulls the whole night. Words that control slip in like a chain. Soft as a flutter, hard as the pain. Words that hurt land like hot iron rain. Carve their initials deep in the vein. They're weightless and free, you're heavier than stone. One flap in Beijing, flooding your home. A butterfly lands, a timeline bends. Words are the storm that never ends. What's the cost of this charade? Will it change the life you made? Words can kill, words can bless. One small flutter, the rest is less. Will it bring you to your goal? Or will it swallow your soul? Words start wars, words end the fight. Butterfly wings shift day to night. Back up words, wings, carry some waiting dreams. Back up words, wings, carry some waiting dreams. Words that destroy, leave nothing behind. Just ash in the mouth and smoke in the mind. Words that create, lift cities from mud. One poem, one tweet, turn nothing to blood. Words that condemn, words that smear. One rumor takes flight, disappears careers. Words that kill with a smile and a nod. Words that bless when the heart's under sod. You squirm like a worm when the pixels align. Can't tell truth from fiction, your detector's offline. I ain't the devil, it's the mirror you fear. Your own foolishness makes the monster appear. One word misspoken, one lie believed. Butterfly flaps, whole nations grieve. What's the cost of this charade? Will it change the life you've made? Words can kill, words can bless. One small flutter, the rest is less. Will it carve you down to bone? Leave you lost and all alone. Words are dangerous in evil hands, but truth in the right throat still stands. Butterfly lands on a leaf in July. One extra beat, a dictator dies. A tweet goes viral, a revolution sparks. A whisper in darkness ignites the dark. Words are the wings, the storm's first breath. They give life, they bring death. You scream deep fake while you swallow the script and cry when the mirror shows you got flipped. The universe watches every syllable flies. Echoes forever till the last star dies. Words that lie dress up in velvet and gold. Sell you a story that's already sold. Words of truth cut like a cold winter blade. Strip the illusion, leave you afraid. Words can put you in jail for speaking too true. Words can free you when the cell door's unglued. AI just amplifies what's already in play. Your own broken filter leads you astray. What's the cost of this charade? Will it change the life you made? Words can kill, words can bless. One small flutter, the rest is less. Will it consume you bite by bite, or lift you up into the light? Words are dangerous in evil hands, but truth in the right throat still stands. Still stand. Back when waves and wind, still stand. Back when waves and wind, still stand. Words right, wings flutter. One breath changes everything. Butterfly storm. Listen.